Hello, this is Greg, amateur radio operator, November 4 Kilo Golf Lima, N4KGL. I'm at Dowdell's Knob in Georgia. It's near Pine Mountain, Georgia, and it's on the FDR State Park. But most important, it is a SOTA Peak. So we're here at the Outlook, looking over the valley, and it's a spectacular view. Today is October 13th, 2019, and we'll be activating the SOTA Peak. And the peak gives you 1 point, and that's because it's just so easy to drive up the mountain, so to speak. And there's a picnic area up here. Yesterday, went to Warm Springs to the Roosevelt's Little White House and learned quite a bit about the president. And this was one of his favorite spots. He came here and set up a barbecue grill and had picnics up here. So it's a historic spot as well. And up the hill here is our station for the day. We're going to be using a SOTA Beams link dipole for 40 and 20. And our radio, I brought the big guns. It's the ICOM 7100, which is capable of 100 watts here. And here is the control head. And we're set up here on 40 meters CW. I didn't expect there's just a great deal of activity. I'm not sure why, but the signals are strong. There is some noise, which is, I cannot explain it. The gear is in a toolbox down here, the rig, with a Bio-NO battery, the main part of the 7100 and so forth. And it does all bands, all modes. And the tree here is a Slim Jim. A gentleman, amateur, came here yesterday and just operated 2 meters. So over the valley toward Columbus, I'm sure there's some stations out there that will work me on 2 meter FM simplex. I borrowed the grill here to support a pole, which supports the dipole I mentioned before. So we're going to operate 2 or 3 hours. I've really looked forward to this. Linda, my wife, and I are camping here, and that gave us time to visit the Little White House and perhaps go to Callaway Gardens this afternoon. So we'll see what's happening on the airwaves, and hopefully many SOTA chasers will come and we'll give them a point. Well, hello. It's time to wind it up here from Dowdell's Knob. I've been doing SOTA and also POTA. Summits on the air, parks on the air. I had really good luck. On 40 meters CW, I had 19 contacts, 40 SSB, 47. 2 meters, 4 contacts at some distance on 2 meters here from the peak. Went to 20 and got 13 on CW and 4 on SSB. And I add that up to be 87 contacts. 5 years ago, we did SOTA here and we got 60, so I'm very pleased. We've been here roughly 3 hours, so we'll be camping for another couple of nights, and I'll probably get on from the campsite to do parks on the air. So we appreciate all the SOTA and POTA chasers. I know folks down in my home, around my home, Bay County, Florida, tried, but my signal seemed to skip over them. So we'll say 73, best wishes to all, and we'll see you on another outdoor adventure with amateur radio.